I'm Chris Kohatsu, and I'm the author of the cookbook Food with My Friends. I'm also a chef here at the Viking Culinary Center, and right now I'm preparing chicken cacciatore, or what I call in my cookbook, chicken in tomato stew. I've got 2 pounds of chicken thighs that I've browned nicely here, and to that I'm going to add a cup of white wine, some chopped onions, celery, and carrots, and add about 2 cloves of chopped garlic. 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes and 14 ounces of diced tomatoes. I'm going to bring all of this together and allow it to simmer for at least 15 minutes. My stew has been simmering now for about 15 minutes, which means this is a great time to adjust the seasonings. So give it a taste. And now I want to add some chopped rosemary for some freshness and a little bit of salt and pepper. Depending on your taste buds, you may want to add a little bit of sugar to adjust the sweetness from the acidity of the tomatoes, or you might like it as is. And now your chicken and tomato stew is ready to plate. I'm Chris Kohatsu, and I hope you've enjoyed this chicken cacciatore recipe.